You see that no makeup look we've been asking, how did they achieve this look? Worry not, you're in the right place. Welcome to Makeup Class 101 for beginners. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, I am Pamela and we have a good time on my channel. Always stay subscribed. Okay, let's just dive straight into the video. Firstly, you have to use your wipes to clean your skin properly. You want your makeup to be on a clean canvas, okay? Whether you have applied moisturizer, sunscreen, or anything, clean it off because you want this your makeup to look good. Okay. Once that is done, you allow it to dry before you move in with your moisturizer. Moisturizer that we'll be using for this look is cosmetic moisturizer. Okay. Just apply a generous amount on your face and rub it in properly. Let your face sink in with your moisturizer. Like apply a generous amount. And when you are done applying, don't just rush in to put another product on your face. Allow it to dry. Okay. Next is concealer. You can buy any concealer. I'm using Elegel for concealer. Okay. And please, when applying your concealer, use one shade lighter than your skin tone. You can see how this one is now. Take note of where I am applying these things. Okay. Take notes because you are not using foundation for this look, so you have to apply it properly. All right. Anywhere you have like that spot, you can just place the concealer there. You don't have to use the shade that is more brighter. This is not when to experiment. This is when to create the look that you want to get. Now you go in with your damp beauty blender and blend properly. I don't say you should drag. See what I'm doing? I am tapping. Don't rush. You're a beginner. Okay? You're not going anywhere. Don't rush. Just take your time and do your blending. And whenever you are blending your under eyes, take your time. See the way I'm doing it? Snatch this outer part. Okay? The place I applied for the dark spot, I have to blend it out. Blend properly because the beauty about makeup is blending. If you don't know how to blend it, it will not look beautiful. Now that you are done blending out the concealer, okay, you use your powder puff. See what I'm using, and pick the shade that is very close to you. In fact, or your shade rather, because you don't want to do. And when you take it out from the this thing, what's it called? When you take your powder, dust off the excess before you go under your eyes. Okay, and do you see the way I'm applying it? Apply gently. I will be back. As you can see, I applied the powder on all the places I highlighted, right? So next up, you're moving to brows. If you don't have what's it called, edge control, you have to leave this class because this is what every girl should have. Yes. And you don't have this brush, I don't know what you're doing because most we use it for lashes. We use it, you need to have it. If you don't have it in this class, you better leave. I'm not petting you in this class. I'm not petting, but I'm kind. But I'm not petting you. The basic, you need to have it. So you just remove the excess and use it to brush out your brows, right? Put it in place properly. And once that is done, you go in with this your powder puff and set the brows. Okay, you need to have a pencil. Not you need to, you must have pencil because which one is you need to have pencil. Have pencil. Then the essence is just to fill in the places that you have space. Because now we are not drawing brows. Oh. We are not drawing brows. Just fill in where you think that has spaces. Okay. Slightly. Oh. I'm not saying you should just do one. Slightly. I think we are done for that. Next up, we're moving in with our eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, we're not doing anything paparazzo. The same palette that you use for your powder, just pick the shade, dust off excess, and just go over your eyes and place it in a circular motion. So what I'm doing, dust off excess, And there you go. So next we'll be going in with our liner, eyeliner. See the liner I'm using. We draw slightly so you won't make things up. Oh. This is how it is. You come in, let me do the second part. Next up is lining your waterline, okay? Pick a gel liner for that. See the kind of brush I'm using. Are you seeing the kind of brush I'm using? It's very flat. Then you go down lightly so you don't injure yourself. I'm done with lining my waterline. So next up will be mascara. Yes, you're supposed to have mascara. So you brush out and then roll it out. Okay? Very observant, you will notice that I fixed one of my lashes. So this one is optional. If you want to just do only your mascara, and that's all. If you want to just go extra by putting your lashes. So let me go and do the second one. I'm coming back. You go in with your setting spray. I'm using Zical sealed. Okay. Once it's dry, we'll go in with our blush. For powder blush, I'll be using Bicham Ageless palette. So pick a product, dust off excess, ensure you dust off excess. Then observe where I'm placing the blush. And I'm placing upwards, not downwards. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Then after the placement on both sides, the remaining parts on a brush, don't go again to pick a product. You can dab it on the tip of your nose. Okay. Next up is go in with your powder palette. I didn't mention the name of the powder palette. I've forgotten. So use your brush. This is a no foundation makeup tutorial. Okay. So be generous with your powder. Apply properly and make sure you are using a powder that is your shade. Okay, very very important. So for the lips, I'll be using this wood liner pencil to line my lips properly. I'm not doing overlining, I'm just doing normal outline of my lips, right? Not doing anything so much, okay? Then we'll just gloss our lips. Guys, can you see? And that's basically how to achieve this no makeup look. I hope you find this video very helpful and you love what you're seeing. And this is basically how to achieve the no makeup look. It's quite simple. It's something that you can just get your hands on and do immediately. It's not something that wastes your time. You can wear it anywhere you're going. Okay? I hope you find this very video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.